Hi, my name is Anne-Marie McDermott. I'm a biology major here at IRSC, and for this research project we looked into the connection between human genetics and dietary habits, such as, say, eating fruit once a day or eating pastries 3 or more times a week, things like that. I plan to continue my education. I want to get a master's degree in biology as well, at the very least. I don't know if I'll do a doctorate yet, but a master's degree for sure. So when I graduate college, I want to go into some career within the field of biology. I haven't completely decided yet. This project definitely helped expand the amount of careers that I'm looking into, but that's definitely something I'm still deciding on. So during my undergraduate research experience with UF, I was able to analyze data on different dietary habits related to genetics, and I was also able to take that data and interpret it, learn how to phrase it and analyze it in ways that I could share it with people who weren't involved in the project, which was very interesting and something that I never really got to do when, say, I was in high school and I was doing like science fair project, because that was more you get the data, you put it in a table, and then that's it. So learning how to interpret the data and being able to share it, which is something that is definitely important to the field of science, was very useful and very interesting. My mentor was Dr. Angelica Ahrens. I greatly enjoyed my experience with her. I felt that over the duration of the project, she gave me the freedom to try to figure things out and do things on my own, but also was very easily accessible if I needed help or if I just thought that something would be best done with the both of us. And it really felt like we were working together on this project, so I greatly enjoyed working with her, and I was very grateful to have the opportunity to do so. When I presented at the research symposium this past spring, it was definitely different than anything I'd done before. I've only really done science fair when I was in high school, and this was definitely different from that, especially in the fact that no one's judging you at the symposium, which was honestly really enjoyable because it felt like I was able to communicate better and at my own pace with the people that were asking me about my project, because they were just there to ask about the project as opposed to judge for the science fair. I felt welcomed, and people were definitely very excited to have a student from the AA program there, and were very interested in seeing the project and encouraging me to, tell me I did a good job and hopefully continue doing things like this in the future. I would definitely recommend this experience to other students. I found that it was, one, very enjoyable. It was interesting, it was engaging, I enjoyed talking with my mentor, but I also thought it was very useful. I was able to get experience in research, which is something in the field of science is very important, I feel. I also was able to form connections with other people in my field. My mentor, Dr. Ahrens, I was even able to, other people at IRSC, I was able to form connections with. So it was just overall a very enjoyable experience, and I would definitely recommend it.